Hey up, how are we doing today? We've got the Parkside drill here. What's the 20 volt? What you can either use the big 4 amp or the 2 amp battery. I'm just having a look in it today, see how it is, and then we'll do a test later on. You don't get these with them. You get, of course, the good case. Again, with just the plastic bottom, what they can split in the future. Well, I don't know yet, but some do. In a nice little box. Oh, you do get actually some drill bits as well. Let's have a quick look. In here. Oh, that's quite nice. So you've got some drill bits, some screws, drivers, posse drivers. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. So that to get you going. I have got quite a few different things of that. Let's have a look. You can put a smaller battery in here as well to carry around with you. See if the bigger one will go in. No. No, not at all. The small one will fit in the box, but the big one won't. But anyway, you've got the... Oh, you've got a few features here as well. Let me open this. So I see either side there's a little magnet, so that can clip on there when you're using one to other. And don't, well, no, it doesn't shake off. So that, yeah, that's quite good, that is, to be honest. I thought they'd drop off, but no, you've got a little magnet there, so you can keep a couple of these on the side for when you need them. That's good, that is. I haven't really seen that before. It's quite hefty. It feels strong. You've got all the black bits again are all like a rubber coating, so that's nice and grippy. You've got a belt mount, so if you've got a work belt you can hook it on. Let's put the 2 amp battery on. I gather there'll be a light. I'll be disappointed if there's not. Oh, that's from bottom. Bottom is where the LED light is shining up to there instead of along. So you've got a full metal chuck area, different torque settings at top. And then higher. Yep. All works nicely. 2 different speed at top. You've got plenty of air vents. Yes, a nice little bit of kit. You would have thought, maybe, I don't know. So you've got the slower bit for using the Allen keys or screwdriver, and then the faster for the drills. But nice bit of kit that is. We'll give it a test out later on. But yes, thanks for watching. It looks good. It actually feels quite... I've got an old Aldi one and it don't feel... It's just that in your hand it doesn't feel as like strong. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And our Peppar's here, keeping an eye on me. Hey, beautiful. And give me a thumbs up. Cheers.